In previous video, I explained polynomials, degree of polynomials, coefficient of polynomials, and types of polynomials. Means linear, quadratic, and cubic, biquadratic polynomials. Okay. So now we are going to solve more question based on polynomials. First question is, if x equals to 2 is root of f of x equals to 2x cube minus 3x plus 7a, find a. So what is root of a polynomial? Root or zero of polynomial, both are same thing, root and or zero. So whatever the value, let x equals to alpha. So whatever the value of x we are going to substitute, that is called zero or root of the polynomial. So रूट वही होता है जिससे f of x की वैल्यू 0 आती है. मीन्स वो नंबर जिससे f of x की वैल्यू 0 आ रही है वो रूट ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल और जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल कहलाता है. Okay, so now we start solution here. So f, now x equals to 2 equals to 2 cube minus 3 into 2 plus 7 8. So just now I told to make value 0. So I will equate it with 0. So it will become 16 minus 6 plus 7a. 0 equals to 10 plus 7a. So minus 10 equals to 7a. So a equals to minus 10 upon 7. So value of a is minus 10 upon 7. It's our answer. It means if x is root of if x equals to 2 is root of this polynomial, so value of a will become minus 10 upon 7. Now, next question is, if x equals to 0 and x equals to minus 1 are roots of f of x equals to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b, find a and b. A and b. So, our solution so first x equals to 0. So 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0 plus a into 0 plus b. So 0 equals to 0 0 0 and b. So value of b is 0. Now next I am putting value of x minus 1. So minus 1, 2 minus 1 whole cube minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus a into minus 1 plus b. So 0 equals to minus 2 minus 3 minus a plus b. So 0 equals to minus 5 minus a, and from this solution we got value of b 0. Now we will put it here. So minus a plus 0. So value of a will become minus 5. Minus 5. So our answer will be a equals to minus 5 and b equals to 0. So our next example is, find integral roots of f of x equals to x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. Okay. So first we will see constant term of this polynomial, that is 6, and we will write here constant term of polynomial is 6, since constant term of polynomial is 6, so its factors will be plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3. Factors of 3 will be and plus minus 6 also. Now we will take value of x from here in such a way to make answer 0, to find out 0 of the polynomial, okay, or root of the polynomial. So first minus 1, I am taking minus 1. So minus 1 cube plus 6 minus 1 is square plus 11 into minus 1 plus 6 equals to 0. Now value of x plus 1. So 1 cube plus 6 into 1 whole square plus 11 into 1 plus 6. So our value will be 24. Now next value minus 2. So minus 2 whole cube plus 6 into minus 2 whole square plus 11 into minus 2 plus 6. So it will be minus 8 plus 24 minus 22 plus 6, and it will become 0. Now plus 2. So 2 cube plus 6 into 2 whole square plus 11 into 2 plus 6. So 8 plus 24 plus 22 plus 6 equals to
60.
It will become 60. Now next value is minus 3. So minus 3 cube plus 6 into minus 3 whole square plus 11 into minus 3 plus 6. So minus 27 plus 54 minus 33 plus 6, and its value will become 0. Okay. Now we will put value of plus 3. So we will put value of 3. Actually I know, and you will solve it, but I know its value is not going to become 0. See, since it is cubic polynomial, it is cubic polynomial. So we will get only 3 roots of 8. क्वाड्रेटिक में उसके 2 रूट आएंगे, बाई क्वाड्रेटिक में 4 रूट्स आएंगे, एंड क्यूबिक में 3 रूट्स आएंगे. So I got 3 roots here. So integral root of this polynomial is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Okay. Now next example is find 0 of a polynomial. 0 of polynomial means f 0 equals to, we will equate it with 0. So x square minus root 5 whole square. So it will become x equals to plus minus root 5. So our answer will be plus root 5 and minus root 5. Here 0 equals to 2x means x equals to 0. Means our answer is 0 here. So value of x is 0. Now next, h of x equals to px plus q. So px plus q, 0 equals to px plus q. So px equals to minus q. So x equals to minus q upon p. So root of this polynomial is minus q upon p.